Again, guys, you are all welcomed in this video, and let's come to the point. So, on this beautiful day of a beautiful night of 7th December 2023, we are going to take we are going to have a discussion, a conversation on a very kind of common issue that we all must have noticed in our life, in our surroundings. We are going to talk about the nature of the people, their common, their kind of uh, natural behavior which they don't have control over because they have cultivated or inherited it from the ancestor, from the human, from the very primitive age. So they have naturally got those traits which they don't know about, but naturally they exhibit these traits, they exhibit these feelings, and of course in the backside, in the kind of interior of their mind, their consciousness, they know that yes, they feel something, they feel some feelings, they do have some feelings which they are not aware about fully. So first of all, I'll take my example as usual. So I have been a guy who just love attention, attention from teachers, attention from girls, beautiful girls, great, and attention from even boys. I mean, I want myself to be surrounded with people. I want identification. I want people to love me, and I want them to think about me a great, I mean, I want them to have a great perception about me, that I am unique, I am muscular, and I am cool, I don't care, like that. So I just want to feel that kind of celebrity type feeling when we we got importance, we get significance from the people, we get their attention, we get their time, and we want, and we see people are behind us, they want us. So I am that kind of person, or I have been a that kind of person. Not, I would not say currently, because I am in the transition phase, because I have got some point which I am just going to tell you, that whatever I have wanted, I have wanted, I made fake notions and fake practices to get those ideas achieve, get those aspiration achieved or fulfilled. For example, to make people think about me as a great, unique, confident one who just don't care, a cool person who just don't care of the people. I you know I began to uh, tell them antilogs, okay, anticipations, not like that. So some stories, fake stories, where I was the hero, and kind of where I presented, or I projected my image like a hero, like a unique person, like a cool one, which who is aspired by every girl in his friend circle. And I mean, ultimately, I have projected a fake image, only I know that. And when I, used to be telling them, I, I could sense that people were at one time, while listening my stories, my fake stories, at one time I could sense that yes, they are believing on me. But as they observed my behavior towards, twice or thrice, I got the point that yes, they are becoming aware of my real nature. They are getting, instincts or kind of natural, uh, they are getting aware of my fake attitude. I began to feel like yes, they got the point that I am projecting my fake image. Yeah, but I continued to be a storyteller whenever I got time. I used to speak a lot. I mean, a lot. I speak a lot every time when I want, when I around surrounded by people, or when I with someone, used to be with someone, I began to brag about, my past, that I have many friends, I am different, I don't care, I can impress anyone, I can flirt any girl like that. I'm unique, and they got bored of me. They began to feel like I am, just boasting, and they began to feel bored. They began to feel irritated, and sometimes even I have got comments that, uh, okay, but you speak a lot, you don't listen. Yeah, and then I got the point. Yes, people don't like speakers; they want listeners. First of all, observe this thing. Actually, this is the case. This is the actual case. Actually, in fact, people want listeners, not speakers. Because people don't want to listen, they want to tell. They want to tell their stories, and they want people to believe on their stories. And like, as it was in my case, I wanted people to, you know, to believe in my stories. Even at the point when I know that those sound to be a fake story, but okay, I continued. So I know that my efforts were in vain, because nobody is going to take interest, because nobody listen. Even I don't listen to the other person, I just wait for the moment where he stops and I begin. I just wait for that moment, because I want to tell myself about myself. I want to tell my fake stories. I want to tell that how smart I am, and how unique I am, and how influential I am. So for achieving that, I want to tell them. When I get the point, or when I knew this one, that whatever I have to tell, people would not listen. They would not listen. They just don't want to listen. And the more I will tell, the more I will talk, the the more I will lose respect in their eyes, lose importance, significance. They'll be feeling like he's a common person. We always boast about him and always like that. And I know that I have got lost the respect of many people, who used to be who used to, respect me, but not now, because of my one habit which have contributed to this a lot, that is speaking a lot. And this is the thing that I am currently working on. Okay. And yes, the second thing I want to tell you, that people uh, run after those things which they know are difficult to get. Nobody like common things. Everybody like the things which are rare. Yeah, everybody would love to listen that person who speak less, right, rather than the person who speak a lot like me. Even I want to listen the person I know, because he or she spoke very, less frequently, occasionally, right? That is the main factor. That is the main reason why I want to listen her, because she speaks less. So there, the rare factor is there, right? Yeah. Similarly, we want to have friendship with the person who is difficult to, you know get, or who is difficult to make a friend. I want to love person who, you know whom everybody love, but he does not give it back to the people. He does not love to the people. Like everybody love him, but he does not get a fuck about it in reality. Okay, and if broadly I say, or briefly I'd say, I would say that just cover yourself with mystery. Surround yourself with mystery. Never, you know, reveal your thoughts, your next step, your future plans. There must be a mystery about you that uh, nobody must know concrete about you, that you are this type of person. Nobody, no, should have the potential, or should have uh, the enough information about you so that they can make a general perception about you. Always turned different. Always prove to be different of their opinions, their perception, their notions. Don't get, many of us want to get involved in their fun circle, and that is why we also change our opinion to make themselves comfortable. But that should not be the case. If you want attention, if you want people to love you, if you want girls to chase you, okay, if you want friends, and if you want to get value, and if you want to get valued, if you want importance, you know so of course you have to be mysterious. You have to be someone who is less frequently seen, who is less available, who speaks less, okay, but influential, very much influential, and uh, known to others. A mystery, of course. Create a mystery. You 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 can even now you can make yourself different from your usual path. Create a mystery. Make yourself mysterious in general way, in actual way. Grow. Strive. Okay, if you will be growing, if you will be developing yourself, that growth will be, uh, feel will be felt by the people. It will be reflected in your aura, in your way of in your way of everything, your walk, your style, your confident face. Yeah, looks don't matter, but of course in the interior, whatever will be going on in the interior of your mind, that would be, getting reflected on your face. It's not about looks, but it is about the expressions, the gestures. And of course, I always emphasize on the point that be authentic. Authenticity is rare. Authenticity has its own value. It is rare. Okay, before anyone, uh, you know before making anyone to respect you, you have to earn your own respect. You have to earn it. Respect is a thing which can only be earned. If you can respect yourself, if you think that yes, you deserve to be, to do to you know to your to the respect, I mean you deserve your respect, देन भैया दूसरे लोगों को तो आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करें ना करें, यू विल फील दैट या वो आपकी डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, आप ना उन्हें पोटेंशियल दोगे, यू विल नॉट लेट देम डिसरिस्पेक्ट यू। उन्हें आप पोटेंशियल, उन्हें आप राइट दोगे ही नहीं, समझ रहे हो आप अपनी बाउंड्रीज को इतने तरीके से सेट करोगे, व्हेन यू विल अर्न रिस्पेक्ट ऑन इन योर आइज, तो आप दूसरों की परवाह नहीं करोगे। एंड दैट इज़ द थिंग विच आई वॉन्ट फ्रॉम यू। पहले अपनी नज़रों में रिस्पेक्टफुल बनो, अब दूसरों की नज़रों में तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाओगे। और दूसरी बात, पीपल वॉन्ट टू चेज द पर्सन टिल द पॉइंट दे गेट इट। समझे आप? हम उसी चीज़ के पीछे भागते हैं जिस चीज़ के जो हमें चाहिए, और जैसे वो चीज़ मिल जाती है फिर हमें वो नहीं चाहिए। The same case is applicable or works in the people we want to we want to close or we want to get. If I want a girl, तो मैं उसके पीछे तब तक भागूंगा जब तक वो मुझे मिल नहीं जाती, और जैसे ही वो मुझे मिल जाएगी सारी एक्साइटमेंट ख़त्म। हम ह्यूमंस हैं, 18 मिनट 1 मिनट और हमें सफ़र में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। हमने हमेशा सुना होगा दैट, आपने कभी ना कभी तो सुना होगा दैट जर्नी इज़ मोर एक्साइटिंग, मोर काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग दैन द डेस्टिनी। ये हर उस इंसान से सुना होगा जो किसी जर्नी से होकर गुजरता है और कुछ अचीव करता है। तो अचीवमेंट का इतना मज़ा नहीं आता, वो जर्नी पे, डेस्टिनेशन पे जाकर वो जर्नी के बारे में सोचता है। जैसे मैं हमेशा इस चीज़ को एम्फोसाइज़ करता हूँ, यार मैं एक होटल में था, मैं एक जो है उस एक ट्रिप को एंजॉय कर रहा था, सफ़र को एंजॉय कर रहा था, लेकिन अब मैं जो सफ़र मतलब 1 महीने से पहले जब मुझे आ रहा था कि यार सफ़र में जाना है तो मज़ा आ रहा था। जब मैं सफ़र होके आ गया तो फिर मैं उसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचा हूँ, यार सफ़र में जाना था, कितना मज़ा आ रहा था। जब मैं जाके आ गया तो सारी एक्साइटमेंट खत्म, है ना। तो हमें चीज़ों के पीछे भागने में तब तक ही मज़ा आता है जब तक वो हमें मिल ना जाए। तो नेवर गेट, तो लोगों को मिलो ही मत, यू नो, नेवर लेट द पीपल टू गेट यू। तो उससे क्या होगा, आपकी वैल्यू तब तक ही बनी रहेगी, और आप जो चाहिए आपको वो तो आप अचीव करोगे इधर से उधर करके, समझे। उसके लिए तो आपको ये सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि पीपल आपको क्या सोचेंगे, ये वो सोचेंगे, ठीक है। तो यही बात है। तो इतने आपको बनना है। देखो, लोग आपको चाहने के लिए, आपको पाने के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे, ठीक है, कुछ भी करेंगे, लेकिन मेन बात ये है कि वो तब तक ही करेंगे जब तक आप मिल नहीं जाते। अगर आप चाहते हो कि वो करते रहें तो उन्हें मत मिलो, और जैसे आप मिल जाओगे तो आपको पता है क्या होने वाला है। बाय बाय।